Hi, my name is Julia and welcome to another Presello open house tour. Today I'll be showing you around this brand new townhouse in sta.mesa, Manila. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. And we're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first. And we're also on Instagram. Please do give us a follow at Presello_official. Okay, so on with the tour. Right. You just saw a 2 to 3 car garage. And here in the entrance, we have an elevator because this project is actually 4 stories high. So this would come in handy for the elderly or the disabled or anyone who wants to make life a little bit easier, right? Okay, so going on to the end of the corridor, you're gonna pass by a powder room, the main stairs, and the door leading to the maid's quarters. It's actually pretty spacious, pretty bright, and she will also have her own toilet and bath. This room also leads outside. This is, you can see it through the window actually. It's a neat little utility area with 2 faucets and a drainage. So you can do whatever it is that you need to be done here, maybe laundry perhaps, or things that needs to be cleaned. Okay, so instead of taking the elevator, let's just head up the stairs. So the second floor is where the living spaces are. So you have your living, your dining, and your kitchen. And this also leads out into an adorable balcony and a room that's basically your entertainment den. Now this could actually be transformed into a bedroom if you want it to be, because it also has its own walk-in closet and toilet and bath. Also, this unit does come with all the furnishings. Not every unit comes with full furnishings. Some of them are just semi-furnished, but this one does. So if you want to check it out, please do send us a message. All right, so going back out into the dining and kitchen area, which by the way has a really nice and clean layout. Lots of counter space. You've got your breakfast nook and everything. Really, really nice. And it also has this door that's very accessible to it that you could turn into your dirty kitchen. Although technically it's a utility area, you can do whatever you want with it. And it also leads out into this outdoor area. You can't, sorry, the door is blocking it, but there's a rail here. So it's another balcony that you could fashion into a dirty kitchen. All right, numbers though. So the units vary a little bit. So it could go anywhere between 300 to 340 square meters in floor area and 95 to 127 square meters in lot area, again depending on the unit. So let's head up to the more private spaces. The 3rd floor opens up to the elevator, of course, and the study area, which also leads into the bedroom. So this one is the first bedroom. All right. It has its own toilet and bath. Pretty spacious too. And you gotta love a room with big windows, right? Okay, so on to the second door. Over to the right. We have here the master bedroom. Pretty ample space, big window of course, and desirable walk-in closet. So you've got 2 sets with the shelving over here and your toilet and bath, of course with a minimalist enclosure. Makes it look so clean. Okay, and to the final part of this floor, you have a door at the end of the corridor. This is actually just storage. It's just storage over here, or whatever it is that you want to stow away, and onto the last floor. So top floor, obviously we have the elevator, its last stop. and several doors. So behind door number 1, we've got more storage. Then behind door number 2, it's another bedroom with its own toilet and bath. Then behind door number 3, literally right next to it, is a mirror image of a room. Exactly the same room, just flipped over. Ample space, big window, perf. And finally, last stop on this floor, we have here a sliding glass door that leads into a spare room. So you could turn it into a guest bedroom, a study, and then what have you. So recap, you've got 4 bedrooms with its toilet, with its own toilet and bath, a powder room, an elevator, a maid's quarters, 2 utility areas, 2 spare rooms or dens. The other one has its own toilet and bath. And a 2 to 3 car garage, and of course 24-hour security. This is, after all, a brand new townhouse in Santa Mesa. So if you want to check this out for yourself, just send us a message through Facebook or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.